uCertify offers Microsoft MTA Networking Fundamental Certification Prep for developers. So, start your prep for Microsoft MTA Networking Fundamental Certification exam from today with uCertify. To be Microsoft MTA Networking Fundamental Certified Professional, you'll have to pass 98366 exam. It focuses on understanding network infrastructures, network hardware, and protocols and services. In the uCertify course, you'll be receiving 188 practice questions and 8,760 hours of online content. The course has more than 30 performance-based tasks and 216 video tutorials to supplement training by simulating real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the Certificate of Course Completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will be able to understand network infrastructures, network hardware, and protocols and services. To explore more about uCertify titles and the features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/Microsoft/98366VT. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.